Welcome back again to our SQL programming course. We are still in session 6. In this video, we are going to discuss the delete statement in SQL. The delete statement removes records or rows from a table. Delete names the table or view, and again, a view is like a table, it's a virtual table. But delete names the table or view that holds the rows that will be deleted, and only one table or row may be listed at a time. The where clause, that's the standard where clause, and it limits the deletion of the record set. So you don't have to delete every single record. You can just delete records where a certain condition is true. Some rules for the delete statement. If you omit a where clause, all rows in the table are removed except for indexes and table constraints. Delete cannot be used within a view that has a from clause naming more than one table. Delete can affect only one base table at a time. Let's have a look at an example. So again, we have our classes table, and we decide we want to remove this class that's just called math. It doesn't sound very descriptive. So we'll rename it later, but we're not going to offer it right now. So we're going to enter this delete from the name of the table, classes, and we're going to use the where clause as a record selector. So where class name column equals math, and I have to use the single quotes because of the type of data that's there, and I have the semicolon as a terminator. So we'll go ahead and run this, and that ran successfully. So again, we'll go select, in this case, star from classes, and we'll see that the math record, only one record's been removed. We had 10 rows earlier, 10 records, now we only have 9. And that full record that had the class name of math has been removed. Stay tuned for our next lesson.